What's up, client? JM here to perform a fundamental machine exercise sa mga gyms, ang machine pec deck fly. First things first, nakita nyo sa video, inaayos ni client yung width ng handles. So make sure yung width ng handles is yung buka na based dun sa flexibility ng chest mo. Wide, pero not too wide na parang mapupunit na sa widest part of the movement yung pecs mo. So make sure na pag mag-warm up kayo, check lang muna natin ng walang weights. Do the movement, use the machine without the weights, and check nyo lang yung flexibility mo. Dapat dun sa lowest part of the movement ay hindi talagang nababasag or na pupunit na yung ultra stretch yung chest mo. Dahil pag nilagay mo ng weights yun, mas liliit pa yung range of motion ng buka ng arms mo. And we want to prevent injuries. So, make sure ito yung unahin natin. First things first. So, ang setup niyan, yung upper back nakadiin dun sa pad, while yung feet mo nakadiin naman sa ground. Para kang yumayakap ng barrel or ng puno. Stretch, and then drive. Breathe deep. Stretch, and then drive. Chest up. Mid-back engage, kapag nilagyan ng lemon yung mid-back mo, dapat naka-squeeze siya all throughout the set. First things first, check the notch before performing the exercise. Check it without the weights. Slow and controlled. Stretch and drive. Thank you so much for watching.